everyone, today I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down your videos using Shotcut editor. First of all, I'm going to add this video to video track 1 in Shotcut, so I'm just going to drag and drop the video like this. I'm going to mute this audio track, play the video, and this is the normal speed of this video. And if I want to change the speed of this video, all I have to do is just navigate here to these settings and find the section speed. Now, if you don't see this section here, just navigate over the video in video track 1, right click and open properties. Now, once you see these settings here, find speed, and you can change these values. So you can move the arrow up like this. Let's say I'm going to set this value to 2.0, and this is going to speed up my video to 2 times. Click apply. Now, if I play this video, you can see that the video is in fast motion. Okay, now if I move this arrow down, so the default speed is 1.0. Now let's make it slow motion, 0.4. Click apply. And as you can see now, this video is in slow motion. Right, so let's go back to 1.0. This is the default speed. If I want to change speed at different parts of the video, all I have to do is just move this playhead, let's say to this point in time, navigate here and click on this button, split at playhead. Okay, now we have split the clip at this point in time here. And I'm going to move the playhead further in time, let's say around here, split the clip again. Right, so now we have split the clip into 3 parts. And I'm going to select this first part and make it fast motion, let's say 2.4, click apply. Right, so now this is going to be in fast motion. Now this is a blank space, so let's move this middle bit here, connect it to the rest of the clip, and move this final bit as well. So make the clip continuous. And what I want to achieve here is have this first part in fast motion, middle part with default speed, and the last part in slow motion, let's say. So make sure you select this last part and click the arrow down, let's say make it slow motion 0.4, click apply. And that's all. Now if I play this clip, this is the fast motion, this is the normal speed, and this is the slow motion. And that's it, guys. This is how you adjust speed using Shotcut editor. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.